Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the modal verb could. It's a versatile word in English used in different situations. We'll break it down into 5 key areas where could is used. Let's get started. Past ability. When we use could for past ability, we are talking about something we were able to do in the past. For example, when I was a child, I could swim very well. This means that in the past, I had the ability to swim well, but I'm not necessarily talking about the present. Suggestion. Could is also used to make suggestions. It's a polite way to offer an idea or recommend something. Example, you could try studying earlier to improve your grades. This is a gentle suggestion, offering an option for the listener to consider. Polite request. We also use could to make polite requests. It's a way of asking for something in a respectful manner. Example, could you please help me with my homework? This is a polite way of asking someone for assistance. Polite permission. Could is used when asking for permission in a polite way. Example, could I use your phone for a minute? Here, you're asking for permission in a respectful manner, more polite than just saying, can I? Past possibility. Could can also express past possibility, which means something was possible, but it didn't necessarily happen. Example, they could have won the race, but they were disqualified. This shows a possibility that existed in the past, but didn't happen because of another condition. Negative form. In the negative form, we add not after could to show that something was not possible or didn't happen. Example, I could not finish the project on time. Or the contracted form, I couldn't finish the project on time. This means you were unable to do something. Question form. To make a question with could, we simply switch the subject and the verb. Example, could you lend me your book? Here you're politely asking if the person is able to lend you their book. To summarize, we use could for past ability, suggestions, polite requests, polite permission, and past possibility. And remember, the negative form is could not or couldn't, and the question form simply switches the subject and verb. That's it for today's explanation of could. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident using this modal verb in different situations.